Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Booster channel, the best place to practice real-life English conversations. Today, we have two special friends with us who will help you learn English in a fun and easy way. Let's meet them.
Hi, friends. My name is Imly. I love learning English through real-life situations and simple conversations.
Hello, everyone. I'm Alex. On this channel, we practice easy English speaking with interesting and suspenseful stories. That sounds exciting. If you want to speak English confidently, make sure you subscribe to English Booster channel and practice with us every day. Suddenly, Imly looks worried.
Wait, do you see that bag near the bus stop?
Yes, but why is it moving?
I think something is inside it.
Really?
I'm not sure, but this feels strange.
Let's go and check it.
Okay, but be careful. Hi, Alex. Sorry, I'm late.
Hi, Emily. No problem. I just arrived a few minutes ago.
Good. I thought you were waiting for a long time.
No, not really. The bus is also late today.
Yes, the buses are always late in the evening.
You're right.
Alex, do you see that bag over there?
Which bag?
That black bag near the bench.
Oh, yes, I see it.
Do you think someone forgot it?
Maybe.
But I have been watching it for 5 minutes. No one came to take it. That's strange. Yes, very strange.
Maybe the owner went to buy something.
Maybe, but still, it feels a little suspicious.
You watch too many mystery movies.
Hey, I'm serious.
Okay. Scene 3. Curiosity.
Should we check the bag?
I'm not sure.
Why?
Because it might belong to someone.
Yes, but what if someone really forgot it?
You have a point.
Maybe there's an ID card inside?
Or a phone number.
Exactly.
Suddenly, a small sound comes from the bag.
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
A sound. From the bag.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Now I'm curious too.
See? I told you something is strange.
Okay, let's go and check it carefully.
Are you sure it's safe?
We will just look from a distance.
All right, let's go.
They walk slowly toward the bag.
My heart is beating fast.
Relax, it's probably nothing. The bag moves slightly.
Oh my God.
Did you see that?
Yes, the bag moved.
Now I'm a little scared.
What if something is inside?
Let's open it slowly. Alex slowly opens the zipper.
What do you see?
Wait, I think a small puppy jumps out.
Oh, it's a puppy.
That scared me.
Poor little puppy.
Someone left it here.
Look at its eyes. It looks scared.
Yes, and hungry too.
Who would leave a puppy like this?
I don't know, but that's not kind.
We can't leave it here.
You're right.
I have some biscuits in my bag.
Really? That's perfect.
Here, little puppy. Eat this. Look, it's wagging its tail. I think it likes you.
Or maybe it likes the biscuits.
Alex, what should we do now?
We should help it.
Maybe we can take it to a shelter.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Or maybe we can find the owner.
Let's check if there's a phone number. Alex checks inside the bag. Wait, there's a small paper here.
What does it say?
It says, "Please take care of this puppy."
That's sad.
Very sad.
Maybe the owner had a problem.
Yes, maybe they couldn't keep the puppy.
Still, leaving it alone is heartbreaking.
I agree.
Alex, I have an idea.
What idea?
What if we adopt the puppy?
Really?
Yes, I always wanted a dog.
Me too.
Then it's decided.
Welcome to your new home, little puppy.
Today started like a normal day
Yes, but it became a special day.
because we met a new friend.
Exactly.
Sometimes life gives us surprises.
And sometimes those surprises bring happiness.
That's true.
Let's go home.
Yes, our new friend must be tired.
Friends, if you want to improve your English,
Practice real-life conversations with us.
watch more stories on the English Booster channel.
Don't forget to like this video
Share it with your friends.
and subscribe to English Booster channel.
Next time, I will tell you something even more mysterious.
Really? What happened?
Something strange happened in the park yesterday.
Now I'm curious.
Then see you in the next story.
Goodbye, friends. Keep practicing English.